guys, today we're going to be talking about professionalism, and one of the things about professionalism is you want to have a professional email, right? So I'm going to show you right now how to create a signature line on your email. So I popped into Gmail, so you know you can go into Google and pop into your Gmail, and what you're going to be looking for when you get into your Gmail is you're going to be looking for this little gear button, which is also it looks like a little gear. So I'm in Gmail right now. I went to Google first, got into Gmail, and here I am in Gmail. To save time, I know you guys know how to get into Gmail. I'm gonna click the little settings button right here, and and it is gonna see. I want you to hit see all settings. So do you see this? See all settings. You're gonna click on see all settings. Let me get rid of myself here. Move myself right here. I do that. Oops. You want to see all settings, and you want to scroll all the way to the bottom, where you see signature line, so signature. So if I want to create a new signature, you don't have a signature at all, you want to hit create new, and you want to put in your signature, what you're going to say. So I'm just calling this Miss Mags, okay, Miss Mags room 220. All right, I'm going to create something brand new. And over on the side, you can see where I'm going to be able to add different things for my signature line. So I'm going to say Ms. Magasich, room 220, Abraham Lincoln High School. And I might say I'm a marketing teacher, okay? So here you can put what grade you're in, what academy you're in. I could do Professional Services Academy. And then here I can also change and make, say I want Miss Mags to be bolded, I can highlight it, make that bold. Say I want Miss Mags to have a different text color, I can change the text color here. And so basically what that's going to do is every single time I send an email, and I'm going to edit this, right? Every time I send an email, this signature line is going to be at the end of my email. And what that does is it shows a nice, consistent brand, plus it tells people who I am. So after I made my new signature and I'm happy with it, I check it out, and maybe I want the number sign, and maybe I ask somebody else. Down at the bottom, I usually add a quote, and I'll show you my signature line in class today. So you go all the way down to the bottom, and oh, I'm sorry, before you do that, make sure you see when do you want it. So your initial signature, I'm sorry, Ms. Magasich here, and on all my replies, Ms. Magasich, right? And then go all the way to the bottom, and I want to hit Save Changes, so that when I actually create an email, you're going to see here, I'm going to show you, when I compose an email, what's the first thing you see when I compose an email? What comes up? The signature that I created. Now, this is a different one. Let me go back down here and find the right one. But the signature that I created actually comes up. So I probably checked off the wrong one. But remember, I had a lot of different signatures. So I'm going to go down, see all settings. Again, you go to see all settings. Then you scroll all the way to the bottom. Not all the way to the bottom. Oh, here it is. That's the one I want. Okay. And then I go all the way down to the bottom. Oops. And I want to change. I want to save that. Whoops. I want to change. Oh, I don't know what's happening. Anyway, you get the idea. I want to make sure that I didn't save the correct one, but you get the idea. So every time I hit create an email, that signature line comes up. So that's what you're going to be doing today. I hope you understand this really quick tutorial. It's not the only thing we're going to be doing, but it's going to be the first thing that we're going to be doing, and then you're going to come back over and see me. So see you soon. See you in class 220. Bye.